This literature kit on The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton provides a variety of activities to keep students on their toes and practice reading skills. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Explain Johnny's transformation through the eyes of Ponyboy. Answer multiple-choice questions about Johnny and Ponyboy's time in the church. Imagine interviewing Ponyboy about his actions while saving the trapped kids in the burning church. Explain how Cherry describes the duality of Bob. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining an alternate version of the story from the point of view of the Socs, in which it was one of the greasers who were killed in the fight. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Use context clues to find the meaning of slang words used in the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.